Hello everyone, Vavada promo codes. This is really easy thing to do to find the here. Very first thing that if you want to look for, then the currently working one is get max, right? So let me show you. By the way, here I have mentioned each and every code. The first one is a get max. You will get up to 10 free spin with no deposit required. Right, enter during registration, applicable for the sweet bonza slot, and this is only valid for the 14 days from the date of registration. The second one is a chippy 100% match bonus on your first deposit plus 25 free spin on sweet bonza. Minimum deposit should be €1, must be entered at the cashier within 24 hours of your first login. The third is Reach EU 2024. 20 free pins with 20x bonus pin on the Iron Bank slot, includes cashback and other bonuses. Right, if you don't know how to apply this up, you can just go to the website, right? And here you have to just go and click on registration. And once you go and click on registration, you have to make your account. After creating an account, navigate to the bonuses section, enter the promo code in the designated box and confirm to receive your bonus. Right, so this is really easy thing to do. Thanks for watching. Subscribe.